This video is centered around the AI agent gold rush, and we wanted to share with you as to why business model innovation matters more than just the hype. We are living through an AI agent gold rush. Global AI companies have attracted over 100 billion in venture capital funding in 2024, an 80% increase from the previous year, with 33% of the global venture funding flowing to the AI companies. In 2025 alone, investors have poured in 700 million into seed-stage AI agent companies, while the generative AI startups have collectively raised over $69.6 billion. But beneath the surface of this frenzied investment activity lies a more complex reality. While the technology is advancing rapidly, the business models remain frustratingly elusive. The hype versus the reality gap. Industry observers note that a vast majority of the startups in the current deal flow are presenting themselves as agent companies. Yet many of these self-proclaimed agent companies are simply adding superficial LLM integration to existing products, a far cry from the truly agentic capabilities. This isn't just a terminology problem, it's a fundamental challenge that goes to the heart of what makes AI agents commercially viable. Recent MIT research showing that 95% of Gen AI pilots fail to deliver returns isn't just a statistic. It's a warning signal about the disconnect between technological capability and business value creation. The business model puzzle. The core challenge isn't technical, it's economic. Traditional SaaS metrics like ARR may not translate well into the agentic AI businesses, wherein relationship between customer acquisition, retention, and profitability is fundamentally different. Three critical pricing challenges. First and foremost, the usage versus the value dilemma. Secondly, the marginal cost problem. Thirdly, the moving target of model cost. And this brings us to the churn risk that nobody really is talking about. Now here's what should keep AI agent founders awake at night. Customer churn could be uniquely problematic in this space. Traditional software space creates switching costs through data lock-in, workflow integration, and user training. But AI agents, especially those that are built on standard APIs, may have lower switching costs than anyone wants to admit. Now, as the open source models improve and standardize, customers might find it increasingly easy to switch between the AI agent providers. The question then becomes what creates sustainable competitive moats beyond the underlying AI capability.